What is the maximum income tax you will pay? Well, if you're rich in the United States, you will pay 37% of your income as a tax. If you live in Hawaii, you will pay 14% of your income in addition to the 37%. If you live in California, you will pay 13.3%. If you live in New York, you will pay 10.9% in addition to the federal tax. In addition, in Georgia, you will pay 5.2% in addition to the federal tax. In Washington, you will pay 0% because Washington has no state income tax. In Texas, also no state income tax. In Florida, also no state income tax. How cool is that? But states will always get enough income to cover their expenses. They do this with sales tax, they do this with land tax, they do this with sin tax on alcohol and tobacco, and the government of the United States also does it with, we're going to tax imports. Yeah, Trump's played that game lately. But it's not just a game, it's a way of gaining income. In addition, the federal government pulls 12.4% in retirement tax. That's 6.2 for the worker and 6.2 for the company. If you're self-employed, it's 12.4. And unemployment tax is 3.4%, and the company pays that, which makes a huge difference if your company has a high turnover rate or not. As an aside, there's something called the churn rate, which in something like a fast food restaurant like a McDonald's can be as high as 150%, which means if you've got 20 people in a restaurant, you'll have 30 new people per year. I worked with a manufacturing company that over 20 years, they had 3 new employees. All the rest of them were maintained. Even though the company was sold 3 times, they maintained the employees. Yeah, they had low rate, but a high turnover company is going to pay higher into unemployment.